a lot of ammo for a pistol. Is that a falling animation? Huh! Fancy. We're getting fancy now, John.
Is your FPS any better?
Yeah, it's a little better. I don't have like an FPS counter, so I don't know for sure, but it looks nicer.
Use the Steam overlay, you maximum pleb lord.
Yeah, I don't. So, fuck you.
It's literally like the tiniest little number in the corner.
Well, I turn it on if I need a FPS thing. I don't always have it on.
Is that an AR or a sniper?
It's an AR.
Cool. Good thing I got killed by that retard.
The dream. I'm gonna get your S12K and fucking put the AR suppressor on.
You should.
Wait. Wow. M16, the dream, dude. M16s are gonna be the gun we have to use from now on, John.
It's not too bad.
What?
It's not too bad, it's just not as good as the Scar.
Yeah. True.
It's actually better than the Scar for a longer range.
I don't believe you. Hang on.
Yep.
Oh,
It
it cancels your
it cancels
reload.
it.
Okay. That's good to know.
Now at least you can make a decision instead of being stuck somewhere.
Yeah. Helmet. Look at the bright side, John. You gotta kill this game.
Yeah.
Do I go deliver these silencers to someone? Or would I even go to pick a fight?
I don't know. Pochinki military base?
Military base isn't really in.
The
I
whole
just sit on
thing's
the-
in. You can sit on the bridge.
That's what I was thinking. Just sit on the bridge again. Because that went so well last time. But this isn't squads now.
Yeah. 4 guys get out.
I was like, okay. Red dot. Fuck this hollow.
Hey, leave that hollow alone.
Oh, I thought that was a foregrip. Fuck. I found it, John. The fabled scar.
If you want to kill people on the bridge, you should go soon because the circle's about to move.
Yep.
Unless it stays in.
I'm just gonna do this floor and we'll see. Wow, what a good floor. 10 out of 10.
Yep, they're going to be coming now.
Well, let's hope.
You know, they also made it so the circle doesn't spawn in the center as often.
Oh, did they?
The center of the blue circle, I mean, like
Yeah.
the next one.
Yeah.
Because it used to be where it would like always be in the center. bit further.
Further?
You want to catch them in the middle after they pass the RV? So park behind that truck. I don't know if I would do the car strat, but if you leave it there, then they're gonna know you're there.
Is that how that works?
Yeah, what are they gonna do about it?
Stop and get out and shoot you instead of just drive right at you.
I'll win the fight!
If you kill your
Okay.
enemies, they win.
Don't worry, John. I'll win. I honestly don't think anyone's gonna come this way. They're all gonna go the other way, probably. I don't know. You think I should park behind?
Yeah. That way they just drive right up to you and you just pop out and headshot them.
That sounds illegal.
What is that? Is that the mountain?
Yeah, I think that's the mountain. The mountain's not rendered in, but all the rocks on it are. Okay. Cock Sandwich 69. Glad I have a silencer.
Mm-hmm.
What a great red circle. Can the red circle blow up those shacks?
Yes.
Okay. That's interesting. That kind of adds a dynamic of, I wonder if that shack's going to be there or not. Play area is getting restricted, John.
Well.
Tells me people aren't coming. John,
You don't think so?
John, I don't think anyone's coming. I should leave. I'll leave. I'd laugh if there was someone like right here waiting to kill me. Alright. I'm gonna go to school. I'm gonna go take the school.
School shooting.
Yeah. Oh! Oh!
There's a UAZ behind
The UAV?
you. Yeah.
Don't worry, John. I shot it down.
What a bounce.
What?
You didn't see it bounce?
No.
It bounced like straight up and went away. Do you have another one? Because you should just blow yourself up at this
No,
point. There's one on the
don't have
UAZ behind you.
another
UAZ behind you.
I don't have another one. I have a smoke grenade. Do you have another one? Because you just blow yourself.
You go the same way.
Stop your giggling.